Cancer Awareness Marathon, South Africa Run4Cancer will make its return to Limpopo province following a 2-year break. 10,000 athletes are expected to partake in the marathon during the Cancer Awareness Month in October. The marathon went into an hiatus during Covid-19 lockdowns. Organisers will launch the marathon today at Jane Furse. SABC News reporter Katlego Nyoni is at the launch for more. Katlego, good morning and thank you so much for making time for us. Speak to us about the level of excitement, considering, of course, that there was that 2-year hiatus.
Well, Aldrin, indeed, there is a level of excitement, and the organizers are launching this SA Run4Cancer marathon in Jane Furse as a model district. The marathon is expected to attract about 10,000 runners. But Aldrin, I am with its founder, Partake. A very good morning. Thanks for joining us on SABC News. You must be excited. We took a 2-year break due to COVID-19 lockdowns. How is the mood amongst athletes and the marathon community in general?
Good morning, listeners and viewers. As I've been introduced, this Partake, the founder of SA Run4Cancer. The mood is very pleasing. Everybody's excited to be and having the SA Run4Cancer this year. So definitely the support is 100% for this year.
So this marathon is going to be in October. I understand this is Cancer Awareness Month. Why the need to promote cancer awareness?
Cancer is one of the biggest chronics that is affecting us, definitely across the world. So we saw a need as the organization from the outskirts of this province. As you can see, we are launching here in Sekhukhune. We want to make the awareness more bigger, more addressing to the local communities, especially because they don't have access to information with regards to cancer.
You're making a very key point. As a non-communicable disease, a lot of African populations might not necessarily be aware of, some of the symptoms, the onset of cancer, and where they can go to get treatment regarding this. I understand today you've also extended an invitation to the MEC for Health, Dr. Poppy Ramathuba, to come and participate in this launch, and also perhaps provide information to the communities about where they can access treatment, those oncology units within our hospitals. Is that the case?
Yes, it is the case, because we are experiencing a lot of backlog with regards to access to facilities and equipment around the province, but definitely with the help of the MEC that is very active in the vicinity of the department. She's very much willing to go an extra mile and assist us in making this vision of us making this awareness. And from the medical point of view, as we're also having the people from Limpopo Oncology Clinic on board, we are definitely in this together.
You also have, during this launch today, Otepeng, a cancer survivor, someone that has gone through the treatment, the chemotherapy that we all know comes with cancer. Tell us about the cancer survivor that you've invited here today.
We have invited Nomsa Chingowe. She's been with us since 2017 when we started this race. She's one of also the ambassadors as a survivor. We've been also going around the communities with her, engaging the locals in all the districts. Nomsa, she has been diagnosed before with bone marrow cancer. So she's definitely also a helping hand within the organization in promoting the awareness, because she's been also part of this journey. And also because we are launching now in June is also Cancer Survivor Month. That's why we are going all out here in Sekhukhune with her as well on board.
So 10,000 runners, it will essentially make it the biggest race in the province. Do you plan perhaps to extend, as the name says, SA Run4Cancer to other provinces and make it, attract more athletes?
As you all know, each and every province has got its own target of marathons. We are based here in Limpopo, but we are saying that everybody in different provinces, including SADC, we want you guys to participate in SA Run4Cancer. All of us here in Limpopo, we are not gonna diversify to other provinces. Our main base is here in Limpopo, but definitely we have a Vision 2024 where we want to also add the cycling part of it, as we are going to do it as an Africa tour. So we are doing it around here in SA, in Limpopo again, and then moving out into Africa.
Thank you very much for joining us on SABC News this morning. Aldrin, that is the founder of the SA Run4Cancer, Otepeng Sielet, essentially taking us through the fact that today is the official launch, that at this launch they've also extended an invitation to the MEC for Health in the province, that is Dr. Poppy Ramathuba, to sort of address communities in terms of how they can access treatments within our state hospitals here in the province. There is also a cancer survivor that is being invited, Nomsa Chingowe, that I've also had a pleasure of interviewing several years back. She is a bone marrow cancer survivor. Now this marathon is expected to attract about 10,000 runners this year. Previously we've seen it attracting 4,000 runners or so. Now the aim is to also educate the public about cancer in general. Aldrin?